Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make curd dry mirch. For making curd dry mirch, dahi ki mirch, we have to take 250 grams of curd, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt as per your taste. Stir it well. Pour water, mix it well and add into a container. Slightly cut mirchi and add in curd water. After adding the cut mirchi, stir it well, close the lid and rest it for 2 days. After 2 days, remove the mirchi and put it sunlight. Again add mirchi and curd water for overnight. Mix it well. Repeat the same process for 3 days until mirchi absorb the curd water. Let the chilies get dry. And then when dahi mirch is completely ready, take one pan, deep fry the mirchi in oil. To get best taste and flavor of this mirchi, have it with dal rice. Hope you will enjoy it. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.